Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can tell by my last video, it was kind of like a little update video, just kind of telling you guys what's been going on. So if you've been wondering where the heck I've been, I will go ahead and link that video up above or something, just so you guys can kind of get a little update. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and do a video on my Boxycharm. So this is for the month of March, and there are some pretty exciting products in here. Got me pretty excited to, film a video. By the way, you guys, I wanted to mention real quickly that I think my mic is having some issues. So if it is and it's kind of making like a little bit of a crackling noise, so sorry about that. I think I just need to get like a new cord. Hopefully it's not the mic, but yes, I need to fix that, but it's not fixed in this video. So anyway, this month's box is in the theme La Vie en Rose. Super cute, very like pinky themed, which I love. So one of the first things we got in our box this month was this Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I love peel off masks, so this will be fun. Now I did already do like the base and everything, brows and foundation, so I'm not going to be using this today. I'll go ahead and update you guys in the description box below once I do use it. So anyway, that retails for $34, which is pretty pricey, so super happy to have that in the box. Wander Beauty is actually sold at Sephora, if you guys didn't know that, so it is a high-end brand. Next thing we got that I see in here is an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. Now I tried their liquid lipsticks for the first time in a few months ago, one of the boxes a few months ago, and I love their formula. It's probably one of the best formulas I've ever used. So this retails for $20, and it is in the shade I guess Monaco, is that the shade? But it does have like some shimmer in it. It's like a metallic liquid lip, which I definitely am not that fond of. It's a really pretty color, but I just don't like shimmer on my lips. Next thing I'm pretty excited about as well. So we got some brushes in our box. So these are from the brand Moda, and this is the Powder and Soft Glow brush set. Ooh, those are super cute. They're like actually like a dark pink rose gold. They actually feel like they're made pretty well. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft, which is really nice. Now, I don't know what I'm going to use this one for, honestly, because it's got a really long taper, and it's like, it's pretty big, like, to use for highlight, because I was thinking maybe highlight, but I guess you could still use it for that, but I'm not sure what I would use this for. Maybe like setting underneath the eyes very lightly or something. And this one right here is more of a dense kind of powder brush. Very nice to have, like, staple brush. Now these two retail for $29.99, so $30, you guys, and those are actually like, they're good brushes. They're not crappy at all. They're actually really well made, and they're super cute. Second to last thing in this box is a liquid eyeshadow from a brand called Appeal. I've never heard of this brand before, but oh my goodness, look at this color, you guys. Like, that is just a beautiful coppery bronze shade. I'm pretty excited about it. So it's a liquid eyeshadow, but it has almost like a liquid eyeliner tip to it. So you could do like a pretty precise line with it, you guys. That's actually pretty cool. So this retails for $21. So the last thing in this box I am like the most excited about. This is so pretty. So it's this Cover FX like cheek palette, and this is what it looks like. Super pretty. It's got some bronzers, a blush, and 2 highlights in there. Then it also has a brightener and a finishing powder. Not really sure what you would use that for, but super pretty. And this is like such a good product to get in your box. Like, this is really well made, and I've actually already used it and I love it. So this is awesome. This is probably like one of the best products I've ever gotten in a Boxycharm before. So the face palette retails for $45, you guys. We got like a bundle of some really good products this month, I must say. So this month's box, you guys, is about $150. Like, that is insane. We definitely got some really great products this month, and I can't wait to try them. So let's go ahead and start using these and see what they look like. So since my face is pretty much a blank canvas right now and I have no bronzer or anything like that on, we're gonna go ahead and dive into the Cover Effects palette. So I am going to go ahead and use the fluffy brush that it came with, and I'm going to go into that contour shade, and this looks like a really nice shade too. Like when I have applied it previously, because I have used this before, it just seemed like a really nice balance between cool and warm. It wasn't like too much of either. So that's definitely one of the reasons I really do like it. So far this brush is blending out everything beautifully and applying it really nicely and just doing a great job at like buffing things out, and nothing looks patchy, so good job for the brush and the bronzer. So now I'm actually going to go in with the same brush and apply the blush from that palette right here and just dab that on the cheeks. Holy crap, that was that applied that pretty like intensely. Wow. So lastly, I want to go ahead and highlight, and for that I'm going to be using the highlight, and I think I'm going to mix a little bit of the brightener on top of the highlight just for that extra pop. And I am going to be using the brush that it came with. I'm going to try to use it as a highlight brush. Like I said, I think it's a little too big, but we'll see. Not bad. I just kind of have to go back in a few times, but the highlight itself, very, very beautiful. Love it. So overall, I don't really love this brush, but I do like the dense buffing brush. This is really nice, but I don't know what to use this for. If you guys have any like ideas on what you would use it for, or like suggestions or anything, definitely leave them below. Alright, so the face makeup is pretty much done. Now this box did not come with any eyeshadow, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow real quick, and then I'm gonna top it off with this. So I will be right back. So I'm back. I've got my eyeshadow on, so I just used the Anastasia Soft Glam. I thought this would be a very kind of fitting palette to use with this month's theme. Basically, I just went neutral on the eyes, but what I'm gonna do is actually use the liquid eyeshadow kind of like as an eyeliner, and I think that's gonna look really cute. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just start to line the upper lash line. So I think that is so incredibly pretty. Hopefully you guys can kind of see how the shimmer is looking. It just adds like a little pop of shimmer. I was a little scared that it might get a little bit sheer, which I felt like it kind of did slightly, but I was able to go like in one swipe with it being like pretty darn opaque. So this is really good actually, and I'm pretty pleased with it. And I kind of like love the fact that it's like a eyeliner applicator, because you can be a little bit more creative with it. So I'm going to finish off this look with some mascara and go ahead and put this liquid lip on, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look with the mascara, eyeliner, and what else did I put? Oh yeah, the liquid lipstick. So I must admit, I really kind of hate the liquid lipstick. I am just personally not a big fan of shimmer metallic like liquid lips. I think they look hideous on me. So I really kind of hate that, but I loved everything else in this box. Now, like I said, don't really know what I could find a use for, so let me know if you guys have a use for this kind of brush. But otherwise, this brush was amazing. Love how it blended, and they're really, really soft and good quality. And this Cover Effects palette was freaking amazing. I am pretty obsessed with this. I've been using this like every day for the past few days since my Boxycharm came in, and then I was really pleasantly surprised with the liquid eyeshadow. I think it is beautiful, and I love that you could use it as like an eyeliner or eyeshadow, and I think it turned out really pretty today, so love that. So yeah, overall I think this month's box was such a huge hit. I'm so excited that we got so many amazing products this month. But yeah, that pretty much concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me kind of testing out these products, and yeah, just seeing what this month's Boxycharm was all about. Now, like I said, I'm so sorry you guys that I haven't been filming as much lately. Definitely stay tuned though, because I am trying to come out with at least one video a week. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment below. And I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos and supporting me, and just, you know, understanding why I haven't been as active on YouTube and things like that. So I really appreciate you guys and love you, and yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!